As you go through your physical therapy treatment, it's important to know that tissue healing and progress can take time. During rehabilitation, sometimes progress can be slow, and you may be left wondering, how do I know if I'm really improving? This video will help educate you on some methods to measure your progress and some ways that you can improve on your own. With this information, you'll have a better idea of how to measure progress.
Hi, my name is Caroline Pitts. I'm a treating physical therapist at EW Motion Therapy, and I've been a therapist for 5 years. Today I'm going to talk to you about ways to know if your physical therapy is actually helping you or you're meeting some of those goals. And we're going to do that in 3 ways. One is to improve your everyday function. Another one is to return to activities that you maybe weren't able to do before. And then the third one is to meet some of those evaluation goals. And then we're also going to go through a couple of strategies so that you can be successful. Today we're going to talk about key progress measures to know if your physical therapy is actually working. Keep in mind that progress with physical therapy can be different depending on the person, your lifestyle, how your body responds to treatment, and even just what type of skilled therapy that you're getting. The first one we're going to talk about is improving daily function. And you should start to see some changes with this just within a few sessions. A good example of that is getting out of bed more easily or walking around your house without pain. The second key measure we're going to talk about is returning to other activities. This could be walking your dog without pain. This could be doing your house chores. It could also be returning to a sport, and you might not be all the way back, but just having less pain with that activity or more ability to do it. The third key progress measure is meeting your evaluation goals. So in your first session with your physical therapist, they do an initial evaluation. They take different measurements and they create goals based on that. So another way you can see if your physical therapy is working is by meeting some of those goals, whether it's decreasing pain or improving range of motion or increasing your strength. Those are different ways that we can meet those evaluation goals. A sign of progress can be improvement towards those goals that you had set on your initial evaluation. Next, we're going to talk about strategies for success to see the most improvement with your physical therapy. First, I want to talk about home exercise program. So your physical therapist gives you this to work on, and it is important so that you can work on meeting these goals, improving your strength, returning to your activity. You know, coming in just a couple times a week is not going to get you there as quickly as if you follow with your home exercise program. Another part is just your general health. You know, getting enough sleep, getting good nutrition, getting general exercise and fitness. All of those things are going to help progress your therapy and your goals more quickly. Things will also do the opposite and make it less consistent with your goals. If you're drinking more alcohol, or if you're smoking, or just leading more of a sedentary lifestyle, those things will regress those goals. Consistency is a big part of this. I have a patient currently who had a leg fracture, and didn't think that he was going to ever get back to the activities he enjoyed doing. He was told that he wouldn't. He was told that it would never be the same. And he was very religious about his home exercise program. He worked on it all the time. He was consistent. He didn't overwork to where he was in pain, but he was very consistent with it. And I talked to him the other day, and he said he was in the best shape of his life. He was in better shape than when he went through his accident. And so that just shows how important this can be, just having that consistency and following through with what your physical therapist is telling you and trying to get you to do with them.
Thank you for watching. Now you know some methods on how to track your progress and some ways to help you heal faster. But what happens if you're not seeing the results that you want? It's important that you communicate this with your physical therapist. Click the link in our description below to watch our video on how to choose the right physical therapist. This video details the top qualities to look for when looking for a physical therapist. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to help you on your physical therapy and wellness journey.